Hey everybody, and welcome. It's Amanda Pacheco with Uplifting Beauties, and I'm so excited that you are here to support me as your Mary Kay Beauty bestie or for your hostess. So let me know your first and last name in the comments section. Let me know if you are watching live or replay, and if you are watching on Facebook or YouTube to support your hostess and your consultant. So we are going to be doing a Youthful You workshop. So this Youthful You workshop is a hands-on event that's going to teach you about powerful age-fighting products like retinol, wrinkle solutions, and hydration essentials. This interactive session is going to help you to be able to create your own youth-boosting skincare routine with guidance on effective anti-aging techniques. So I will share some exclusive products, perks, special deals and steals, do some giveaways, fun games, and things like that for you to be able to participate and to watch the Facebook Live, making it a fun and educational experience for you and your hostess and everyone participating. So we're going to be talking about different skincare, anti-aging products, and clinical solutions. So make sure that your notifications are on for this group. Also, if you see my name watching this video or the live or any type of video, just click by my name. It should have a follow button. Make sure you click that follow button, click following, and hit all live notifications. Also, if you are watching from a Facebook group, make sure that your notifications are set to all posts for your notifications, and you can even pin this group to your favorite group to be able to find it throughout this event. Okay, so make sure that your notifications are turned on. Make sure that also, if you're watching on YouTube, that you subscribe to my channel, Mary Kay with Amanda Pacheco, because a lot of my videos and events in the future will be on there, and you have to have a special video that you won't be able to find on my YouTube channel. Also, sometimes I'll send you a private link that only you and your guest and your friends in the group can access. So make sure to follow me on Mary Kay with Amanda Pacheco on YouTube. And also, you doing those things and participating, you get entered into all the giveaways, the deals and steals. You'll be able to get free gifts with purchase if you choose to purchase to support your hostess. Making sure that you're liking and commenting on all the posts, watching the live or replay video. And of course, you're not obligated to make a purchase, but if you choose to, that's how your host is earning rewards and free products, half off shipping, things like that, something that you can earn also. But if you would like to purchase, I will offer special deals and steals for those that participate and watch the live or hashtag replay. And so you can even book your own virtual event. I have lots of different themes that you could choose from. So like Fab 5, Shake Up Your Makeup, a Youthful You event like this, Turn Back Time, Miracles and Masking, Murder Mystery Prize Party, a Friendsgiving, Christmas theme parties, and so much more. So you can also get into my VIP all access coupon club. So if you're interested in that, just comment below. Coupon club valued over $350. You can also get entered into my cash giveaway that I do several times a month. So just drop cash in the comment section below. You can also join my Shabby Shopper opportunity for as low as $35 and be able to have the opportunity for you to be able to get 50% off discount for life for you and your family and friends, or make a little extra cash or whatever you choose to do that. And then for every $25 retail that you spend after discounts, you're going to get an entry into my customer appreciation giveaway. Also, for every 5 referrals that you give me names and numbers, or that you invite to the group and they accept and participate, you're getting an entry into the giveaway. For every new booking and new fun event that you do, whether it's on Zoom or YouTube or Facebook video chat, anything like that in person, you're going to get an entry for every event that you do. And then for every 5 friends that join you, you're going to get an entry. Also joining my Shabby Shopper opportunity, you're going to get 5 extra entries. Joining the coupon club, you get 3 entries. And joining the cash giveaway, you're getting 3 entries into that customer appreciation giveaway. So I will see you guys on the live event. Be looking out for more videos and live and replays and any YouTube links, things like that. Make sure that you comment on each post so you get entries into the giveaway. Be on the lookout for that live and the dates and details about the live event for this Youthful You, and support your hostess. Take advantage of all the special deals, and let's get you entered into all the giveaways. I love being able to give away free stuff and discounted things and free shipping and all the things. So make sure that you're supporting and participating so we can give you all the hookups. I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.